what you will see is that you will see the very same thing. This is daily, right? So there. When the stocks, let me just do invert scale. Right there, you see, they look relatively the same, isn't it? Obviously, they are different, but you get it, né? So when the DXY is increasing in strength, what you're going to see is that you're going to see the DXY, you're going to see NASDAQ dropping in value, right? So meaning that, like, if we go in to say that, oh, we're looking for a possible reduction in value roughly around this area, there might be a possible reduction in value to push price to the downside, right? So that means that, like, now it gives probabilities of a forced liquidation of this area. There is that element, right? Even though there might be a formation of a new price, the spike won't be that significant, right? It will just tap above, right? Tap above, create a new price before it reduces in value. So if there's going to be a further increase in price, it will only occur upon, if there's going to be a further decrease in price. Let me gather my thoughts. If there's going to be, because right now what we're looking at is that we're looking for a possible long positions relatively around this area here, meaning that, right, this push to the upside here will result in a drop in value. We'll see the price continue to drop. Now the question arises, are we going to also, as we push into the downside, are we going to liquidate this swing low? Even though it's very small, are we going to liquidate this swing low, right? If we go into, are we going to liquidate this one and this one? Or maybe the push to the downside, right, is just merely a retest of the previously broken resistant level, now 10 support. Those are the questions that you have to ask, right? Right now, the drop in price itself, because we understand that here we had multiple retests of this region, right? We had multiple retests, obviously. Now we are in the forced liquidation phase, right? Was it intense? No, it was not as intense as it should be, because already there is orders that were underlying here trying to keep the price from increasing in value. Remember, as the price continued to increase in value, right? Let's say that you have short positions from this year, like you've been swinging, right? You hedged your positions, you've got short positions, you reduced the amount of volume that you actually place, or the amount of trades that you had, and you have hedge positions that are currently making profit, right? Remember that you were hedged against your short positions. Now you are in a